Oh shit. Yeah. These guys must be bold. It looked like they were like staring at it when I walked through.
Okay, Jeff, okay. How they run from over there, from the parking deck to here. Because they were just following me.
Yeah. They didn't get to me until I got right there to that.
You better grab that camera quick because what if they
Yeah, that was me yesterday afternoon. Yeah. I'm about scared to be around here. Woo. Yeah, I think, yeah, right around here. Yeah. Good God. Woo. Oh shit. Damn. Oh hell. Whoa. Good God. Whoa. Whoa. I'm still paranoid. Woo. Good God. Woo. I hope I got that. Good God. Yeah, he was coming for me almost. I was like, hey.